Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to fix mute video on TikTok. So let's start. When this happens is because your song probably has copyright. So for avoiding this, the thing that you have to do is, for example, create a new video. Then you will use a song that is on TikTok completely free. So for example, let's record a video. Okay, let's record a short video. In case that you want to use song that is part from your video and it has copyright, just you have to add a song here. And for example, let's press this one. Okay, and then let's press volume, and here you only have to down the volume from the new song from TikTok, and your song original song just go up and then done. In this way, copyright won't appear on your video because the song is from TikTok and your video will appear like the song from TikTok, and your song will be completely free without any problem. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.